Hello and welcome to Azure Wala YouTube channel. We are in How To series. Today we will learn how to enable self-service password reset for Entra ID group. Before we proceed with today's topic, I would like to inform you that we are providing online instructor-led hands-on Azure trainings. If interested, please feel free to reach me on this WhatsApp number. The objective of today's lab is to learn how to enable self-service password reset for a group of Microsoft Entra users. The purpose of today's lab session is to understand the concept of self-service password reset, enable and test self-service password reset. Therefore, the activity of this lab would be enable self-service password reset. We will be using Microsoft Entra Admin Center as a lab tool. Microsoft Entra Self-Service Password Reset gives users the ability to change or reset their password with no administrator or help desk involvement. If Microsoft Entra ID locks a user's account or they forget their password, they can follow prompts to unlock themselves and get back to work. This ability reduces help desk calls and loss of productivity when a user can't sign in to their device or an application. To enable the self-service password reset, we'll sign into Microsoft Entra Admin Center as at least an authentication policy administrator role. Then we will create a SSPR test Entra ID user. We are in Microsoft Entra Admin Center. We will go to Identity, All Users. We will create a new user. We will hit Review and Create. Hit Create. SSPR test user is created. After creating the new user, we will go to Identity, Groups, All Groups and create a new group. In step 4, we will create a security group named SSPR test group. Next, we will go to Identity, we will go to Groups, All Groups. We will create new group. It will be a security group. Microsoft Entra role can be assigned to the group, yes, and we'll hit create. Yes, our group is ready. In step 5, we'll browse to protection. We'll go to password reset from the menu on the left hand side. And then from the properties page under options self-service password reset enabled, we'll choose selected. If group is not visible, we will select Entra groups and we'll select our group name. After selecting the group, we'll press save button. Now let's go to protection, password reset, hit selected, select group, we'll select SSPR test group, select and save. This concludes our lab session. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.